Well, I came across this product at a RV show, and I get no endorsements for this whatsoever. It's real easy to use. You just put it in a spray bottle, and it's amazing how much waxing and cleaning you can do with this one bottle. But anyway, you just spray it on and wipe and dry. It's real simple. I guess if you have some dirt or something on your vehicle, you probably could take a wet cloth. Although they tout this product as being waterless, but you just spray it on and then wipe it, and then turn the towel over, or get a dry towel, and then just uh, dry it off. And it's amazing how shiny, with hardly any effort whatsoever, this makes your RV. You'll see here in a minute where I went down the side of the RV, and you can kind of get an idea of how shiny it did make it. Although I think the other side, when I go down the other side, you'll really see, just because of the lighting, you'll see how much shinier it looks. But I tell you, it's a great product. I really, really enjoyed it, using it. It's easy to do. I did this entire RV in less than an hour and a half. And I mean, I just, at first I thought, yeah, sure, this is something, but I had no endorsements for it. But it is an awesome product. Have a great day.